Here we are, it's Monday morning. Of course it's chillier than it was yesterday because we're further north. It's a beautiful day. I know there was some fog this morning, everything is really moist, and we heard the ship storm blowing, so thought you would like to see. See where we are on the map, but I wanted to let you know how it's going great. Alrighty, I wanted to just show you the room service this morning. I got the continental breakfast, and it comes with Greek yogurt and sliced fruit, and then a basket of assorted pastries, they call it. So it's a croissant and a little Danish there. And then I also got, as you can see there, tomato juice and orange juice, and I ordered hot chocolate. And then let me show you this as well. They have it, you know, of course, so that you can select the whole fruit. So I got a pear and a banana. So I'm not going to eat all of this right now, but I'm going to save the whole fruit until I want a little snack later. So I just wanted to show you what comes. And he brought it, they say they'll bring it within a 15-minute window of the time you ask, before or after. And they were about 10 minutes early, so it's just perfect.
And a good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain with the latest nautical and meteorological information. Our noon position today was 52 degrees 27 minutes north and 129 degrees 53 minutes west. And since departure from Vancouver, the Koningsdam has traveled 334 nautical miles. To reach Cape Pilot Station, we still have to cover another 357 nautical miles, and we need an average speed of 18.7 to be there at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Last night and this morning we sailed through the British Columbia Inside Passage, passing Seaman Arrows at 10 o'clock, a Race Passage at midnight, and then Blackney Passage at 4 o'clock. And tomorrow morning we embark to Southeast Alaska Pilot near Cape, and we continue to Juneau, expected to be docked at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunny skies, northwesterly winds 10 knots, and a temperature of 8 degrees Fahrenheit to 28 degrees Celsius.
Like a wine tasting blending.
Summer finally started in Alaska. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention, and have a pleasant afternoon and evening on board of the Koningsdam. And here is your entertainment host Al with an update of this afternoon's activities and tonight's entertainment.
Thank you, Captain. Once again, more than ever, really appreciate the captain taking the helm, because if you're on the outside, you notice it is an interesting day of cruising, but still a fabulous day of activities for you on your entertainment. Today you can join us at our live Alaska shopping show. Learn everything you need to know about tax and duty-free shopping this cruise. Free pendants for all who attend. Going on right now at the BB King's Blue Scups Deck 2. I'd like to invite you to join our Naturalist John at 1 p.m. for his exciting presentation. These talented musicians will delight your soul with each note they play. Our Ocean Bar piano begins at 4 p.m. at the Ocean Bars Decks 2. Join us for our World Dance Hour beginning at 4:30 in the Rolling Stone Rock Room with our entertainment DJ host
The Pinnacle Grill.
And yes, tonight's Dressy Night. Stop by the Black Label Studio at the photo gallery on Deck 3. Our Black Label artists will help you capture.
I was trying to make a reservation, but it wouldn't do it. Do you have an opening for just me on my own table for lunch?
For lunch? Yes.
I'll be back with one final announcement later
Let me
this
just
afternoon.
put this one in, otherwise I lost it.
That's okay. Thank you very much.
Your room number is?
Oh, 6196.
6196.
And if you have a table for one by the window, that would be nice. If you don't, it's okay. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, wow, this is beautiful.
Yes, it
Thank
is.
you. Thank you very much. I sure appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, thank you, sir, very much. this is the Pinnacle Grill. It's absolutely beautiful. They were so kind. They put me right over here by a beautiful window. It's lunchtime. It's $15, and I will take pictures of the menu. Okay, I'm off to dinner in the main dining room. This is really nice.
Deck 6, modern deck.
Let's see, we're going to 3. Okay. It's a pretty elevator, isn't it?
Deck 3, promenade deck.
Oh, hi. Good evening. How are you doing? Hi. There's the makeup store. We'll be back.
So there's generally one male for every 4 females, roughly, and a small pod of orca. They will only be followed by a single calf, so it's birthed only every 3 to 10 years. So you guys might have seen in the news recently how important it is to monitor our orcas up here. Because of that, they only have a 40% success rate of birth within the first 6 months or so. So if they are able to get past that, after that long 18-month gestation, they will live to quite impressive ages. So males live between 30 and 60 years. We have females out here in the wild that have been recorded well beyond 80 years of age. So in contrast to those whales that you guys may have seen in captivity, it's great that they're there to see, but they only live a fraction of that time. So we average around 10 to 16 years in comparison to something that could live nearly 100.
How this good IPA got high alcohol by volume? Remember, yeast is the one who's converting those sugar into alcohol, right? Right. And the hops itself, it's a flour. It has its natural sugar as well. Right? Right? So that means it will gonna give you more alcohol. And our next beer is Taste Juneau. Another from Pike, and it's created by the
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. This is very nice. Celebrate the journey. They do have very nice photographers. The pretty flowers. I like Cliff anyhow. Restrooms. Louis Vuitton, if you like that. Pretty purses. This is the Lincoln Center stage. So there's seating up here as well as downstairs. And there. Maybe we'll go downstairs. Oh. They have cute socks. See?
Welcome to Lincoln Station. My name is Matteo Torricello, and I'm joined by my friends Monucci, O'Reilly, Anna on viola, and Shelley on piano. Tonight's concert will give you a little sampling what you can expect to hear here in your cruise, and we start with a piece called Blue Rondo a la Turk by Dave Brubeck.
Vámonos pa.
Okay, princess. Now bend your knee, princess. That's good. Steady, big smile. Look at me. Ready and smile. Yes, steady. Yes, last one. Steady. Hold on. And big smile. There you go. Yes, beautiful. She seems cocky. Next, please, ma'am. Enjoy, ma'am. Okay. Put your things down.
Single on the trip. If not, I don't know. You never know.
I wanted to just show everyone, look. Here is the little towel animal. I think it's a little, probably, I think an elephant. So it is just so sweet. I love it. This is the first time I think I've had a towel animal on a cruise ship, and so I'm tickled pink. This is how my room steward laid everything out so nice for tomorrow. I had left a note asking for this, but the menu for room service to order. And here on Holland America, you just have to have it out by 2 a.m. to order what you would like. And note that tonight the ship's clock will move backward by an hour. And then everything for going on the ship tomorrow, the program. And so I just wanted to share this with you. And I did not even ask for the turn down service. They just do this right over. They shut your curtains for you. Everything is so nice. And you might notice that right here on his nose is a little chocolate. So I just absolutely love it. So I wanted to share that with you.